So we showed you ice cream, so now we're going to show you World Series. So when you click on World Series, you have some directions here, but I'm just going to show you the video. If you want to use the directions, you certainly can. On here, we show you what it will look like. Okay, so if I wanted to get, I'll show you both ways, either doing it in Google Doc or doing it in Word. So the first one we'll do is in Word. So again, if you needed Microsoft Word, or go to your Launchpad and grab Word, you might have to search around. But either way, we have, you'll do your top menu bar, 12 World, and I need this in caps. Sorry, World Series Team Roster, and you'll type Hank, and then down here, centered, not in caps, so we San Francisco Giants 2010 World Series Champions Team Roster. And then we'll get over here. So if you can see, this is the side, and we can type the source here this time. Over here is the margin. We will tab to go to number. We'll tab to go to first, last, position, age. So we're going to need to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tabs. So again, how do you set tabs? Go to Format and Tabs. And we're going to do a variety of things here. The first one, again, what we do is we type up here what we want, 1.25, and we are going to click on the center alignment. We're not going to use leaders at all. We used leaders last time with ice cream. We won't this time, so we'll leave that on none. Whatever shows up in the box is what is set, so we need to have that hit the plus sign. So that's the first one. The second one is 2, and it'll be left. And again, we're not touching leaders, so we hit the plus sign. The next one will be 3.25, and it will be left as well. The next one will be 4.5, and it will be centered. And then 5.5, and it will be centered. So you can see 1.25 center, 2 left, 3.25 left, 4.5 center, and we hit OK. And what you'll do is you'll type number, first name, last name, position, age, 41, Jeremy, oops, and picture, 31. So you can see what I mean. And then they're going to ask you, you're going to bold and underline these and stuff. Okay, but that's how you'll set it up in Word. Now in Google Doc, you got a doc here, so what do you like to do? Just carry that tab over. And my computer at home here does it a little bit different. It'll set it up over there, but take it off, but whatever. Again, same thing applies if we're doing these in Google Docs. You'll type San Francisco Giants World Series Champs Team Roster like we did before. You'll center it in there. You'll do that. And then you can't, I don't think, yeah. So this is a little different. So then you either have to type it over here, your name, or you got to go to the next line. But anyway, just to speed things up time-wise, this would be number 12 World Series Team Roster, and then your name, then the heading. Then you get down here, and then we need to set the tabs. Now, there's no format tabs in this. Okay? So what we need to do is, remember, we will click on the menu bar, and it'll give you the option of assigning. So 1.25, here's 1, here's 1.5. 1.25 is in the middle, and then it says what you want to do. So we want center there at 2, we want a left tab at 3.25, so this is 3.5, so that's 3.25. We want a left tab. At 4.5, we want a center tab, and at 5.5, we want a center tab. So the centers are the diamonds, and you can, well, that one's kind of hard to see because it's on 2, but you got the 2 lefts. So what you'll do is when you tab, you see it'll go to the diamond, and you do number, first name, last name, position, position, age. 41, Jeremy, and so on and so forth. And again, then you can always format bold. You can make this 12, if you want something different. I don't care if you use a different font, whatever, but you make it 12 bold, and I think they want it underlined, you can see. And so that's how you do it in Google Docs. That's the way to do on both of them. Here is instructions for you. If you wanted to read them, take a look at them. Talks about what you need to do, gives you the examples, shows you what the tabs look like when you hit tab and hit return. You don't need that. That's the showing the format. It's no big deal. Anyway, if you need help with that, that is the directions here. That's what it'll look like, or you can follow the video and do it as I talked with either the Google Doc or with the Word document. Just remember, if you do it in the Word document, you have to finish it or do it on that computer. You do it in the Google, you can finish it later.